So my name is Gary Frost. The name of the business is Assa Abloy, and our business provide locking solutions for all types of businesses. Right, the solution we've got here today is a wireless solution. So it's a simple way of connecting access control to an access control front end. PACOM having that access control front end, it's seamless, so you wouldn't even know there was an integration, it just works. Probably the easiest way to connect doors that are quite often difficult to get to, so it makes it a very inexpensive solution. It makes life easier in a number of ways. One of the major ways it makes it easier is it's simple to install, it's not dirty, it's not messy. So those areas where people are concerned about drilling, noise, health and safety, it's a very simple solution. I think the partnership is growing naturally because wireless is becoming more acceptable in access control, but it allows people, as I said, to connect those doors simply that they've always wanted to connect, but either been too expensive or too difficult to fit.